In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a border around text in Canva. Whether you're creating graphics for social media, a presentation, or just for fun, adding a border to your text can make it stand out and give your design a professional look. To start, head over to Canva's website. If you already have an account, you'll want to click on the Login button, which you can find in the upper corner. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your login method. For this tutorial, we'll assume you'll be using Google to sign in. So go ahead and select your Google account, and then click Continue to proceed. Once you've logged in, you'll be on the Canva dashboard. From here, open up the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This will bring you into the design workspace. Now look for the text element in your design that you want to add a border to. Click on the text box. This will allow you to start making changes. Now that you have your text selected, you need to navigate to the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where you'll find a variety of special effects options that can be applied to your text, but today we'll be focusing on adding an outline to create that border look. In the Effects panel, locate and click on Outline. Selecting this will immediately place a basic border around your text, which by default will be black and fairly thin. If you're feeling creative, you can customize the look of this border to better fit your design. First, let's change the color of the border. Toward the side of the Effects panel, you'll spot a color icon. By clicking on this, you'll open a palette where you can choose from a multitude of color options. Pick any color that complements your design or suits your preference. After choosing your color, you might decide that you want your border to be thicker or thinner. For that, you'll need to adjust the thickness. To do this, look for the thickness slider in the Effects panel. It should be easy to find and straightforward to use. Simply slide it left or right to decrease or increase the thickness until you achieve the desired appearance. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're all set. That's everything you need to know to put a border around text in Canva. You've now added a simple yet effective enhancement to your design. Whether you're making an engaging presentation or a catchy social media post, your text will now stand out with its stylish border. That's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you find these steps easy to follow and helpful in your creative journey with Canva.